Hey there! Today we're going to dive into an interesting problem that many programmers encounter when working with numpy arrays. The problem at hand involves extracting subarrays from a larger cube array based on varying indices along different dimensions. This can be quite challenging to optimize efficiently without resorting to slow Python loops. So, let's see how we can tackle this issue together. Let's talk about the solution now. One way to vectorize the extraction of subarrays from the cube is by using the sliding_window_view function from numpy's lib.stride_tricks module. By applying this function, we can create a sliding window view of the cube with a specific window shape and axis configuration. Then, we can access the desired subarrays by indexing along the first axis with the row_start and call_start arrays. This allows us to extract the required subarrays without the need for explicit loops, resulting in a more efficient solution to our problem. Continuing with the solution, we can generate some test data to validate the approach we've discussed. By creating random values for row_start and call_start, we mimic the varying indices needed for subarray extraction. We then construct the subarrays manually using traditional looping methods for comparison purposes. Next, we utilize the sliding window view technique to extract subarrays from the cube and ensure that the results match the manually created subarrays. This verification step confirms the correctness of our vectorized solution and demonstrates its effectiveness in handling the extraction process seamlessly. In summary, we've explored a smart and efficient way to vectorize the extraction of subarrays from a cube array in numpy by leveraging the sliding_window_view function. This method eliminates the need for cumbersome loops and allows for quick and precise extraction of data based on varying indices. By following this approach, you can streamline your array processing tasks and boost the performance of your code significantly. I hope you found this solution helpful and insightful. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you enjoyed the content. Until next time, happy coding!